Right guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to go through some product stuff. So I had a great little package when I got back from PT today from Apothecary 87. For those who don't know, they did like grooming products like barber and stuff. So yeah, they've sent me some products, do some product shots of. So I'm going to take you through how I approach product shots, sort of things I think of, the sort of ways I lay it out, show you the finished product. And yeah man, so hopefully it's helpful. First things first though, we got coffee and cake. Thank you to HM Bakes for these brownies. Woo. Damn good. So yeah man, tuck into these and then get to it. Right, so the three products we're going to be focusing on today, we're going to be using the beard balm, the matte paste and the beard oil. So yeah man, QB roll. Right, so obviously the goal is to make these products look as good as we possibly can. So what I tend to do with product photography as well, I'm using, because I'm doing a flat lay style, I'm using a lot of props that I found around the house. So we've got this fancy little old-fashioned comb, similar sort of style with a pair of scissors, and then also there's the cutthroat razor that I've got lying around. So these are stuff that I haven't bought, these are just like around the house. I'm also going to be using one of the candles they've sent me, just in this like beat up old paint tin. This looks quite cool and keeps with the branding. So yeah, so like that's what we're going to use. I think the important thing is with product photography is understanding like the use of props, the use of like different textures in the image, just to kind of like add another layer to it. We're not talking like boring catalogue photography. We're not talking about, you know, just perfect lighting situations and just a plain white background and product on its own, you know, like we don't want that. It's boring, it's mundane. This brand's quite a cool, edgy brand. Like they've put a lot of effort, a lot of thought into their marketing. So I want to keep that going through the image, keep that sort of style, and see what we can come out with. We're going to start with the beard balm. What I've done with this beard balm is it comes in this metal tube, and all I've done is just sort of dented it all over just to make it look that little bit more rugged. So we're going to bang that centre frame. We're then going to bring in a couple of our props. So with this one, I'm going to use a straight razor. Just going to put that again, corner frame, just sort of there, half open, half closed, sort of having it dialing, pointing towards the object. And then I kept these two cards, I don't know if you can be able to see. Here we go. Kept these two cards, these were from the actual order. And I just think when I put them in the shot, they give this sort of rustic vintage look. And they also keep with the branding, being as they're from the company. So I'm just going to place them there like that. And then we're going to get a picture. Got this little bag as well, another little prop to use. Like I said, we've used that little bag as a texture. We're going to take that out of shot, and we're going to use this little coaster that I robbed off the missus as well. So it's a little bit different, just have a look what it looks like. Throw that on there. Now we're going to add something else. I'm just going to go. Right, I'm going to use a boot. It might seem a little bit silly, what's that got to do with a grooming product, but part on their box says Apothecary 87, made in the UK with manly pride. Okay, so I'm just thinking manly, I'm thinking dirt, rugged, sort of vintage, you know, battered old, weathered Doc Martin might look good. So we'll just drop that in the shot.
Might go in this corner, so that we'll get the laces out. And just let the laces kind of drop in somewhere like that. Try not to get them on the product. Just go like that. To give it a bit of balance, we'll put something in the opposite corner. We'll put that bag down with the beard oil, just kind of up here, like that. See what that looks like. So yeah, just little bits like that work, little props, little things that you might think sound silly, but they add to the image, they make it look a bit more interesting. You're not looking at the boot and the laces, you're not looking at the wood coaster, you're looking at the product, but everything sort of draws you right into that, rather than it just being a standalone. You've got this kind of journey through the photo. So, on that note, let's move off the balm. Let's get rid of the balm for a second, and let's go with the beard oil right there. So again, with the beard oil, we're going to go straight with the bag. And now for this one, I kind of like the look of it being off centre, so we're going to keep it off centre a bit. I'm going to place that beard oil down on there, and just to keep the balance, we're going to put a couple of these, put those cards down there, and we're going to shoot that. Let's mix it up again. Let's take the beard oil out of that shot. Let's put the matte paste in. Now I could put the matte paste like that, but because that sticker is in the centre, I'm not too keen on it. So what I'm going to do, unscrew the lid, place that there, put that on top. We're going to shoot that. And notice as well, I'm trying to keep similar colours. Okay, so because the branding are all these quite neutral, earthy tones, and you've got browns, you've got greens, greys, we're trying to keep with that. So this is why I'm looking now and thinking this isn't going to look good. Fuck it, we don't want it. And potentially the same with those, where the handle looks quite nice, quite rustic, we don't want it. Drink break. Number one rule of product photography, always stay hydrated. And today's video is brought to you by Budweiser, the self-proclaimed king of beers. Right, so just think of this. Off my beer, little bottle cap. Rubbish, you know, it's pointless, but if I just drop it there, in all honesty, I don't think that looks that bad. I think it adds to the shot a little bit. Group shot. Let's see what we can do. Right, let's start with the balm. Let's put the balm in shot first. See, this is where balance is going to become a real issue. So we're going to sort of lay the balm down across the bottom. And then let's go with the wax there, and then we'll rest the beard oil just there. Right guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I do appreciate it. This is more the content I want to be doing, stuff that I've learned over the years being a photographer, trying to bring that out to you guys so you can kind of pick up information that you like the sound of and run with it in your own business. If you have enjoyed it, please hit that like button, let me know in the comments below, and please make sure you're subscribed. Everything helps that way.
yeah, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's @_shopbytb. I do have prints on my website available as well, so www.shopbytb.co.uk. And yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, peace.